Diving deep into the heart of Brooklyn, we are stirring up magic today with El Buho Mezcal at Ocho Moco.
Welcome to Ocho Moco. Ocho Moco is a Mexican restaurant that is located at 128 Greenpoint Avenue. So what I'm doing over here is, my name is Marino. I'm the beverage director at Ocho Moco, and I have been working in this place for almost 6 years, almost since the restaurant opened. And I was lucky that the GM from the 5 years ago, she promoted me to beverage director 3 years ago, and I've been just trying to do my best I can do. So the name of the drink is El Mariachi. That was one of my first cocktails that I introduced to the cocktail menu over here at Ocho Moco. 3/4 of lemon juice. The next one, it will be our hibiscus syrup. That is being made with orange peels, hibiscus, sugar, and maple. Next one, it will be 1/2 ounce of coqui rosa, 1.5 ounces of El Buho Espadín,
Join us on an unforgettable flavor journey at Ocho Moco, a gem in the heart of Brooklyn, as we dive into the world of mezcal with El Buho.
Okay, the second drink, it was inspired on a classic cocktail that will be the last word, that it will be equal parts on gin, lime juice, green chartreuse. But in this case, we're gonna do like my own version, that it will be a little bit like 1/4 of simple syrup, 3/4 of fennel juice, fresh fennel juice, 3/4 of lime juice, 1/4 of fascio bruto, 1/4 of maraschino, and 1.5 ounces of El Buho Mezcal Espadín.
Whether you're a mezcal enthusiast or a cocktail aficionado, these creations are sure to mesmerize. See the magic behind each pour and get inspired to bring a bit of Ocho Moco's spirit into your own home. Diving deep into the heart of Brooklyn, we are stirring up magic today with El Buho Mezcal at Ocho Moco.
Today we're gonna make the Una Noche Sin Fin, that it has a shot of espresso, chocolate bitters, 1/4 ounce of liquor 43, 1/2 ounce of Siete Rayas Jolixpa, that is from Mexico, from Puebla. Other than that, it has 1 ounce of El Buho Espadín. We're gonna start from shot of espresso. Shot of espresso, 3 dashes of chocolate bitters, 1/4 ounce of liquor 43, 3/4 of café de olla syrup, 1/2 ounce of Jolixpa, 1 ounce of El Buho Espadín.
In this episode, we're not just mixing drinks, we're exploring the art and soul of mezcal. Discover how El Buho Mezcal transforms traditional recipes into modern masterpieces.
So this one, it has 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. It has 1/2 ounce of cherry syrup that is being made fresh right here in the house with a little bit of dehydrated cherries, and it's going to be here a little bit of vanilla, orange peels, cinnamon, and cloves. Other than that, it has 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1/4 ounce of elderflower, 1/2 ounce of Pinot de Torrents, and it's going to have 3/4 of gin, and 1 ounce of spice brown butter washed with mezcal for 24 hours. Then we get rid of the butter, and we got like a beautiful spice brown butter mezcal. Lemon juice, 1/4, 1/2 ounce cherry liqueur, 1 ounce of pineapple, 1/4 ounce of elderflower, 1/2 ounce of Pinot de Torrents, 3/4 of gin, and 1 ounce of spiced brown butter mezcal, El Buho Espadín. So what we did with we basically infused with we burn a little bit of spiced brown butter with the spices that we have in the house, cloves, cinnamon, allspice. Then we let, once it's a little bit hot, then we put the mezcal and we let it rest for 24 hours. Then after those 24 hours, when the butter is super cold, we get rid of it and we filter it, and that's what you get, spiced brown butter mezcal. So in this case, it's gonna be Recuérdame. Recuérdame is made out of mezcal, charanda, some coconut liqueur, a little bit of sparkling water, lime juice, and caramelized pineapple. And that's gonna be your frozen for today. It has coconut liqueur, caramelized pineapples, all of that. You just like, yeah. One of the things I love about El Buho is that it's only a single family that has been working with it. Other than that, they have an amazing selection. Besides just the classic espadín, they have their roqueño, they have their tepestate, and the more wild agaves. And it's only like, it takes about 20 to 25 years to mature, and it has like a lot of history behind. Also, other than that, it's a 6th generation of mezcaleros that has been working in it. It's just like, I don't know, I love the brand.
Six generations. Grandfather's grandfather's grandfather. That's far back.
Yeah, it's over 100 years ago. Like when they started working with it, and the brand from El Buho, they just started like 12 years ago, and I have been working with them for the past 3 years. 3 years, and I love the product. I love when you mix a cocktail, what you want to taste is the mezcal, and you want to taste like that roasted agave.
From Brooklyn's own Ocho Moco, watch us mix tradition and innovation with every pour of El Buho Mezcal.
Todo el mundo a bailar con los chains a go-go.